Hello and welcome. Well, I thought today we would check out some RVs and boats. Just to look, just to dream. I don't think I have enough cash in my pocket to buy a new RV or boat, but I thought it'd be fun to just kind of look around and see what different types they have, and just think about how it'd be to be on the road, pulling a boat, stopping at every lake across the country. That would be fun, wouldn't it? For a couple days. No, I don't know. But let's go. Check it out. Ah, nice pontoon right there. I haven't been on a boat for years. I was on a brother-in-law's boat in the Colorado River many years ago in California, doing a little fishing. Well, he was fishing. I was just standing there, sitting there with my line in the water. It was a lot of fun, though. Whole row of the same thing here, but let's check it out inside real quick. Nice little bed there. Oh, you can smell that formaldehyde. That's what they use or used to use for preservatives of wood and stuff. You got everything you need. Sink, stove, fridge. Oh, even has a little bunk bed up there. Yeah, that was about like my brother-in-law's boat right there. Bass boat, I think you call it. Cute little bay liner here. That looks fun. Yeah, I like that. Not a big fisher guy, so that'd just be fun to tool around in the big lake. Ah, there's a lot here. I'm wondering how many salespeople are gonna stop me. Oh, all the pop-outs, little sides makes it bigger. Wow, these are some bigger ones here. Same exterior design as the smaller ones. Not sure I like that dark black and blue. Ooh, smells brand new. The bunk beds over there. And nice big bed right there. Could really be comfortable in this. Going camping or glamping. Bathroom back there. Little storage there. It's like an outdoor grill. How fun. Now, what is this camper? That's a little unusual. Looks like plenty of room in the back there, though. Nice big pop out there. 2 or 3 feet. Cool. Only $3.85 a month. Oh, these steps. Wow, this is nice. Got a nice booth there, a little love seat, and a big old TV. Yeah, that's roughing it. Oh, wow, a little ladder to a loft. Cool. Cozy bedroom. Oh, it even has an upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Nice, full bath. Looks like the master bedroom. Plenty of storage. Oh, I was in that cutout and didn't even know it. An outdoor fridge, so you can enjoy your time out here. Oh. Huh, that's pretty cool. Cool. Yeah, there's quite a few here. Wow, here's some different ones. And this little guy, very narrow. Ah, this one's got 2 doors. I'll be darned. Oh, now we're getting fancy with the exterior paint here. Black and orange. Plenty of storage over here. Wow. Put the whole family back in here. Got a fan. Oh, nice little chairs there for the TV. I'll bet it comes up from the cabinet there. Stainless steel, very cool. Modern buggy. Oh yeah, that's the way the shape of the trailers used to be years ago. Pretty nostalgic there. Ah, look at this one. A single or a couple. Get your sink back there. Very cool. Mod bug. This is really cute. Very compact. Air conditioner. TV. Don't need much. I'll bet the couch turns into a bed. Ooh, this is a fancy one. Whole thing opens up. Wow. Paradigm. Only $7.83 a month. Trip going up the stairs. Oh, look at the size of that fridge. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is a house on wheels. 4-burner stove. Nice little living room. Little kitchen table. Let's go out on the balcony. Ah, you got your outdoor grill. And I'm sure this window opens. TV's in the way though. Wow, this is pretty cool. I've never seen a balcony on an RV or trailer. Got the upstairs and the bathroom like the other designs. Some of them start to look alike after a while. Not only do you spend a lot of money on these, you have to have a truck to pull it. You need some vehicle that'll match up to the hitch and pull it, and you have to learn how to drive it. And I don't know, it just seems like a lot. You gotta really love it. But if you love living on the road, at least for a while, and you have that kind of money, you'll learn how to do it. Backing them up. Oh boy. Ah, another one with a huge balcony out back. Screen door. Oh wow. That's cool. Before I worked with airplanes as a young man, I couldn't back up a trailer. I couldn't back up anything. But you learn when you tow airplanes around. You learn quick how to back them up and how to pull them without destroying a very expensive aircraft. So I got pretty good at that. I had to stack them in a big hangar many times and pull them out just to get one out. Got a lot of practice. Let's check out the one with the giant outdoor porch. Wow, I wonder if you can pull your four-wheeler in here. Put a ramp out there. Got your bed there. You got a duck. Ooh, do you have to duck to get out here? I don't know about that. Got the screen doors, keep the flies out. Pretty cool. I don't know about this ducking though to get down in here. That is weird. Ow! Hit my head. I'll be darned, washer and dryer hookup. Very cool. Well, that's a heck of a boat show. A pontoon, a bass boat, and I don't know what this is, bayliner. I was hoping to see a lot more boats, but that's it. RV and boat show. They don't let you get up in here. I can't even see inside there. Let's see, maybe I can lift my camera. Well, I guess if you really want to see some boats, just go to a dealership, a boat lot, a ship lot, and you'll see a lot of beautiful boats. Problem is, they expect you to probably buy more than coming to a place like this. I thought for sure I was going to get a bunch of salesmen trying to sell me something, but no. One guy, only because I passed him so many times, said, "Good morning, sir." That was it. I love the no pressure thing. Now I'm actually thinking about buying something. Maybe a couple of them because they didn't pressure me. No. Well, that's the RV and boat show. I'm just going to walk around the area, maybe hit the mall here. This boat show is right here at the Dillard's parking lot, right here at Cottonwood. If you're interested and you're in the area, you need to, you have to, and you need to buy an RV. Probably get a good deal because it cost them a lot of money to haul all these over here. A lot of time and effort. I think it's going on for a few days, so may have a couple days there. Tecate. I haven't had Tecate in a long time. Got hooked on Modelo's for a while. I like Mexican beer. Another cool mural out back here. Yeah, that guy right there is just walking back and forth. It's probably guarding, making sure people aren't trying to steal one, which would be pretty hard to do. No, make sure people aren't vandalizing and taking parts off of it, maybe. Hey, we got an RV. Let's just go there and borrow some parts. See what else is around here. We got the Tokyo Hana Hibachi and Sushi Bar. I just read this article that was published by one of the local TV stations. I think it was ABC, Channel 7. And it listed a whole slew of restaurants in Albuquerque where they went from the green grade A inspection for the restaurant to a red, which is unacceptable. And I was really surprised. There was a lot of popular places on there. They have so many days to fix it up, I guess, to change the problem, but man, that's gotta hurt. I mean, there was fast food on there. There was this is what reminded me of it, some sushi place. Even places like Walmart, any place that sells food, Circle K's, things like that. It's pretty scary if you think about it. Make sure you look for that, or maybe even ask someone if you have the dare, if they're a top graded, recent good rating. I used to see them all the time. I don't think I see them anymore. Okay, here's the one I couldn't see from far off. There's a bunch of stoves, ranges, so I'm guessing the range. Great sign, though. There's a lot of ranges now. Yeah, it's the Range. Range Cafe. Well, for just opening about 3 minutes ago, sure is a lot of cars here. Maybe it's employees, I don't know. My goodness. I remember decades and decades and decades ago when I worked in retail, you were told to park way back on a back lot to give the customers the front area. Ooh, nice big flag. Very cool. I think they moved it from the other side. Ah, the old familiar food court. There's always some pop-up new store. Something different. It's kind of funny. Look at this place. Konnichiwa. Not konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Beautiful decorations. Oh, there's the old punching bag and a soccer ball. See how hard you can hit or kick it. Prize locker. Ah. Kenichi cut. Kenichi cut. I don't get that one.